Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks to all my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. I say thank you. You guys rock. So this is the last series of our butter hat. As you can see on the video, I'm just attaching my bow on it. You can use anything to embellish your butter hat. You can use flower, you can use anything you feel will be okay, whatever your hand can get to at that time, or you feel that you will love, you can use. But I'm just using my bow here, all right? So after attaching the bow, we are going to be covering our rough edges with this bias. As you can see, this is a bias. In my side, we call it boba bias. Okay, so what I did here, I just open it up and then I ironed it out. I straighten it out. All right. So after straightening it out, this is what you're going to be having. You're going to have something like this. So you're going to apply your gum. Here, I'm using my electric gum. Okay. So I'm just applying it neatly. I'm not applying too much, but I'm applying enough. I don't want it to come out by the sides of the of my work. So I'm just applying the one that will be enough, not so much. So and then I'll use my hand to straighten it out. So you're going to continue doing this. You're going to continue doing this and make sure when you are doing this, you are stretching it a little for it to relax on it, okay? You use your hand to smoothen it out. You smoothen it out with your hand, then you just make it to relax, drag it a little, stretch it out a little, not too much, just a little for it to relax where you want it to be, okay? So you continue doing this. Make sure you are doing it neatly, all right? I will always emphasize on that. Make sure your work is neat, okay? You stretch it out, apply your gum, allow it to relax. When you are as you can see in the video, I'm trying to use my hand to make it relax on where I want it to be. So yeah, I'm already at the end. So when you get to this stage, what you're going to do, you just apply your gum to the edge. After applying it, you bend it in, okay? You bend it in just to get a nice finishing at the last, okay? You bend it in as you can see in the video. Just bend it in and then you apply your electric gum. But if you feel you can use your candle gum, so if you feel you can use your UHU gum, why not? Because here I'm using my candle gum. That's the electric gum, okay? So try to make it relax on it. Stretch it out a little and then you use your hand to make it to relax on it, okay? All right. So exactly what I'm doing here. Just do same and you will get a nice result. All right. So after this, what we are going to be doing, we are going to be finishing the inside with the same bias, okay? We are going to finish the inside because we want to achieve a neat finishing. So if you can use just one line of bias to make your work neat, that is perfect. But here I'm going to be using two lines. I'm placing one underneath where if you can see what I'm doing there, I'm placing it underneath, not really on top, because I want the inside to be really neat. All right, so that is what I'm doing there. After I've done that first line, you will see I'm still going to be taking it through another line. That's the top part now. I'll still take it through the top because I want it to be very, very neat. So if you think you can just use one line, that is okay. But if you can still use two, it's okay too. All right. But yeah, I used two lines to make my work neat. If you have watched to this extent and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. I know you're getting value. Sure, I know. So subscribe to our channel, like, okay? Just comment, encourage me with your comments, all right? Thank you very much. So just continue watching the video and you'll see what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm applying the other one now, the other line. That is what I'm going to be applying to it now. So just watch carefully and you will get everything I'm doing, all right? If you want to continue getting notification from us, just press the notification bell and you get notification whenever we load new videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching, for staying with us up to this extent. Her butter hat is so beautiful. Thanks, bye.